Oh, why if it's okay and yeah. Oh my God, that shit don't make any sense. Yeah, never get it all. Yeah, oh yeah, hold on that back though. You used to say that it was meant to be, but then I told you it wasn't me. I didn't know what to do. I just take it as I go, and yeah, I fall into a state of ridicule when you take every part of me, 'cause you say that you.
Oh hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to Seize the Speed. Today we're a rather sad one. As you can see, my Camaro that used to live right there is no more. The car's gone. We sold it. It's okay. It's for better, bigger things, and we'll get into more details in a second. Be right with y'all. Alright, so here's the deal with the car. Whoops. Let's try that again. So here's the deal with the car. Here's what happened. Here's all you need to know. About less than, I want to say, it hasn't even been 6 months. Maybe 4 months that I owned this Camaro. I got the car. I don't know why. It was a good deal, honestly. I'm not a big fan of a V6 muscle car. I had that for about, now it's been about a year that I own that Z. FYI, it's broken. We're gonna take care of that soon and get it back on the road, have some fun with it, make some new videos. It sounds pretty nasty, so comment down below if y'all want to hear this, or a battle between that and the 2015 RS. We've done that, we already shot it, so let us know what you want to see. Anyhow, so today we said goodbye to my 2010 Chevy Camaro V6 LT. I mean, it was fun having a matching Camaro with my cousin for a while, and I mean, I learned a couple things about the car. I learned a couple things about Camaros. I never had an American car before, so and I know I didn't have the most authentic experience about it, but you know, you get the gist. A Chevy, a GM product, pretty cool, pretty reliable car. Honestly, has had more mileage than that thing back there, 03 2010. That'll tell you something. The car was running pretty strong. So it was a fun all-around car. It was a daily for me. I dailied it for a little bit. But at the end, the intention, guys, was to turn around, do some couple easy, cheap stuff to it, and flip it and see how much I can make. And to be honest, I didn't make the most out of it because I got into this channel. I needed the car to kickstart it with. And hey, I'm an addict, all right? Get off my back. I love cars. I just got addicted to having the car in this spot. Made my garage look beautiful. And I mean, rolling up in a Camaro is always an event. It looks cool, especially non-car people appreciate the looks. That's another thing I learned about the Camaros versus a Japanese sports car that, I don't know, some people get annoyed by these, but I prefer that more between me and you. Anyhow, here's the footage of my last drive after I met the guy. We shook hands, and there's my last drive in the Camaro. Hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, I did not want to make this video, and this is not easy, but we are driving the Camaro for the last time. Let it sink in. Yeah. Even though I didn't have this car for that long, I got really attached to it, not gonna lie. This car taught me a lot, and it kickstarted this YouTube channel, so we'll always owe it to this little V6 Camaro. Long live. It's gonna go to a teenager, and they're gonna enjoy it. So hopefully everything's alright. Everything will be fine with them. And we'll catch up more once this car's gone. See ya. Speechless. Keep tuning in. We got more videos for y'all coming in this channel very soon. In the meantime, please make sure to keep tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, and peace out. I'm out. Till the next video.